What's up now, friends? It's Sarah here, and today I have the new Magic Gel 2018-2019 winter collection. So I thought I would do a little review and show you guys the swatches for this. So let's get started. So this collection is called the Winter Glamour Collection. It's the 2018 and 2019 winter collection. On the back here you get a card with some information on where you can find more videos and some inspiration pictures. This collection comes with 7 pots of color, and these are in a different package than usual. They're in a rose gold blush, and it comes with 40% more than normal. The formula cures UV LED. The Magic Gel has an embossed logo, and they put the swatch on the top of the container, which the old packaging doesn't have. They also come in spill-proof containers now. Okay, so I'm changing a couple things up here. I have an overhead camera and a front-facing camera, so bear with me while I practice all this. Let's open up. I'm gonna start them from their numbers. So right away, we're gonna start with 127, which is Winter Plum. Ooh, wow. I like that they don't have that sticky tape thing you have to peel off, because you get literally gel everywhere and it's so annoying. So this is just pops right out and there's no mess. So that's great. I like that. Well, I like Magic Gel because they are usually a 1-coat coverage and they're really great to paint with. So I like to hand paint lines and stuff. I know these pots seem really small, but a little goes a long way for sure. So let's take a look. So pretty. I really like these. This one's really pretty. Literally, that's it. It's just 1-coat coverage. These are nice. Super smooth, and that leveled really nicely. Like, the color's pretty even on there. Okay, so that's been top coated and cured, and that's what that looks like. Super nice. I really like the deep, rich purple of it. And it really self-leveled really nicely, and it's not streaky. Okay, the next color we have here is called Sweet Merlot. And again, let's take a look at that. Like, so nice. Spill-proof packaging. Really nice. So I'm probably just gonna use it from there just because I don't want to waste it. And you guys will be like, you wasted the lid product. So I won't waste the lid product. Okay, so this is a similar one to the Winter Plum, but it's got some really beautiful sparkle in it. Again, just a 1-coat coverage there. Super sparkly and pretty. I really like this one. Okay, so that's the finished. Here, I'm gonna bring my light down so you guys can see if it will show. I'll do kind of like a cool thing with it, but that's what Sweet Merlot looks like. Sweet Merlot has really fine sparkles. There's some blue, purple, pink, but really fine sparkles. Now, up next, we have number 129, which is called Magenta Lipstick. Wow, that is super pretty. These are really great colors. These would also be really great in the fall. Okay, so you only need a little bit. Like I said, a little goes a long way in this product since it's a 1-coat coverage. So this one needs a little bit more, I think, because it's going a little sheer at the top. Like, I need to build it up a little, but it still doesn't need to be cured for that. You just build up your color and then cure it. So just make sure you get it nice and even. I'm finding Magenta Lipstick is really pretty and nice, but I'm finding it a little hard to get the 1-coat, especially in this area. So I'm gonna cure this and then apply a little bit more. Okay, so I'm just gonna use what's on the lid here to apply just a little bit more, just so I can get that full coverage. That's better. Okay, and then here's what the finished Magenta Lipstick looks like. So I really like this one. I think it's a really beautiful color. I think it'd be great in the fall and in the winter. Basically you could use this color all year round. Like, I am pretty sure I have plenty of clients that would absolutely love this color. Okay, the next one we have is called Creamy Toffee. Yum. Sorry. Not yum. Creamy tofu. I thought it said toffee. I don't like tofu. Okay. Ooh, pretty. That's like a really nice light gray. Wow, that's super pretty. It does look like creamy tofu. So that's just one coat. That's what I really like about Magic Gel. One coat coverage. I ain't got time for 3-4 coats of polish. That's ridiculous. Nothing should ever have that many coats. This time is money, you know? So I really like the fact that these are legit one coat coverage. Okay, so that's what creamy tofu looks like. Super pretty. Perfect one coat coverage. Love it. Up next we have this one called First Snowdrops. So nice. This one's like a, oh, so nice. I love it. Okay, so this one is a beautiful gray mauve kind of purpley color. Okay, it's got good one coat coverage there. Super pretty. I love this color and this tone. What would you guys call this? What would you call this tone? First Snowdrops. Okay, and that's how First Snowdrops look. I think this collection is so far turning out really nice. We have 2 more colors to go. This next one is called Majestic Navy. Number 133. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So this one is a navy blue and it has some tiny shimmer glitters in it that look like it's kind of like a green and has like blue and green. It's super pretty. So I'm just going to do a little thin coat of it and then I'm just going to build the color up slightly. For me, this could get away with one coat coverage for sure, but this one's kind of like the Magenta Lipstick. I feel like a nice thin second coat would be good. Okay, so that's what the one coat coverage looks like, but I am going to try to build this up a little bit. Take a look to see how it looks with a second coat. Yeah, that's better. I think it looks a little bit better with the 2 coats. So that's how Majestic Navy looks. I really, really like that one. Super pretty. I love the small, fine glitter shimmers in it. I hate when some colored gels are too chunky and they don't go on very well. So I really like when companies come out with glittery, shimmery, but solid colors to make it a little easier to work. So the last one we have is called Almond Latte. Oh, pretty. So this one's more of like a warmer tone, but it still goes, I think, in the collection. It's really nice. It's always good to have more nudes. Perfect. Perfect one coat coverage. Super nice nude. Really like that. Okay, and that is the finished cure with a top coat of Almond Latte. Super nice. I really like that one. What do you guys think of number 130? Did I do this in the wrong order? Yeah, I did. Almond Latte was 130 and it's not the last one. Whoops. Anyways, yep, that's that. Okay, so here is the finished collection. Here are all the colors. I really like them all. I feel like this collection as a whole is really nice. There's a lot of kind of dark reds. Like these 2 are very similar, but this one's sparkly. I really like the cool tones of like the lighter colors and the deep, rich tones of the darker colors. I just think this collection's really pretty and I really like it. And speaking of snow and winter, it is snowing where I am and it is super fun. I absolutely love the snow. My dogs love it too. So I'll insert some clips of Halo running around and playing by himself in the snow, just like a crazy dog. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I will link where you can get these down in the description box. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.